Hi guys, and on this episode we're looking at the Kia EV3. I was lucky enough to go and see this at a local dealership. There's only 3 of these in Europe at the moment. Really impressive car. As you can see, they're taking us around the car initially. It's our first hands-on with the Kia EV3. Plenty of boot space for an SUV. This is quite a fun rear wiper that is hidden underneath the spoiler. Plenty of room in the back. We had Rob from RS Think sitting in the back. He's over 6 foot, plenty of room, plenty of space. Lighting in the sides and along the front, big dashboard or big screen, plenty of USB-C and charging points in there. This was a bit odd. Didn't really make space of that middle center console. Got a very small front, but with vehicle to charge adapter, so that's good for charging stuff, hopefully unicycles. Very cool front, very similar to the other Kia models, and USB-Cs in the back and plenty of boot space. But then the spaces I think is enough. I think when you fold the seats down there's plenty of more, and the screens were really clear and really nice, typical what you expect from Kia. The cars have 2 models, 32,000 and I think over 40,000. One is got a range of approximately 260 odd miles, and the larger one is around 300 miles. Charging speeds 100 kilowatts for the base model and 125 kilowatts for the GT. But overall, really impressed, really like this. Looking for a possible replacement for the Model Y in a couple of years' time, so hopefully by the time that comes round I'll be looking at probably Kia as one of the manufacturers. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you guys soon.